to technical analysis in your trading?
No, I may do so unconsciously, but I've never done it in the sense of claiming that I know how it should be done, and therefore what I will do as a result. That I certainly don't do. And although I do use a chart service based in Vancouver, which strikes me as quite an intelligent service, institutional investors, with a caveat to my distancing myself from technical analysis, is that if you remember, technical analysis starts with the proposition that one should observe the points at which people buy and sell shares, and whether the share price moves up or down from that point on volume. And that shows, and I think that can be supported as a view, that that is how the market thinks. And so one can see from really a very cursory glance at a share price as to how it's moved on substantial volume, and it's reasonable to reckon or reserve the possibility that the price will continue to move in that direction. History shows to me that they do. Certainly, if I think that a company is overvalued, I'm cautious about shorting it if, in fact, it looks to me as if the chart is still charging up. But on the other hand, when a share has tipped over, I'm very much minded to give the share another kick on the way down. If it looks to me, that's what people want to do with the stock. I'd never do that just on the chart. That would be ridiculous. But one must take a view on the fundamentals of the stock. But the chart is a very interesting pointer as to what one does subsequently when trading.
Good. Do you favour any particular technical analysis to guide you? Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci. Are there any of them that you have a preference for?
My only acquaintance with Bollinger Bands is when disposing of a bottle of that name. I don't think in terms of these terms from charting. Perhaps I should, but I don't. Now, I agree the Fibonacci numbers are extremely interesting, but I've never felt that it's possible to draw useful conclusions using them.
Okay. So you have your own rules, basically?
Yes, but I'm not sure what the rules are, since you raise the point. But I would be reluctant to do anything mechanical on the basis of charts.
Okay. How do you do your research, and how do you keep up with the markets?
Well, I follow the press and the bulletin boards, and it's perusal of those information sources that give an idea of stocks that are going on. Also, there are chaps I know who are promoting stocks, and they talk to me and ask me what is my opinion of these stocks, and inevitably one takes a view and one proceeds. There's no fixed way of doing it. You can't say, I'm going to get up tomorrow morning and find a stock. What will happen is you wake up the following day and the stock will come and find you.